Yeah, this is exercise 4.6, fifth sum. So it is a 3 by 3 matrix. First you write it in a matrix form. See, write it in a matrix form. The matrix form 3 minus 1 minus 2. See, there is no x coefficient. The x coefficient is not there in the second equation, so you can put 0 instead of that x value. 0, 2, minus 1, 3, minus 5. In the third equation, z coefficient is not there, so instead of z coefficient you can put 0 into x y z equal to 2 minus 1 3. So a, this value is a, x equal to b, a x equal to b, x equal to a inverse b, x equal to a inverse b, a inverse equal to 1 by determinant of a into at a. If determinant of a is a singular matrix only, we cannot able to do the sum. If it is a non-singular matrix, we have to able to proceed a inverse. First we will find out determinant of a. Determinant of 3 minus 1 minus 2 0 2 minus 1 3 minus 5 0. Expand by r1, expand by r1, plus minus plus expand by r1. See here, plus 3 into, you leave that row and column, you delete that row and column, corresponding you delete that row and column. What is the remaining 2 by 2 minor? 2 minus 1 minus 5 0. See, minus into minus 1 it become plus 1, minus into minus become plus 1. The same way you can proceed for, you delete that corresponding column and row. What is the remaining number left out? 0 minus 1 3 0. Delete that column and row. What is the remaining thing? 0 minus 1 3 0. Next, plus into minus, minus 2 into. The same way you can delete that column and row. What is the remaining thing? 0 2 3 minus 5. See here, 3 into, see here, once again I repeat, 3 into, you delete that column and row. What is the remaining thing? 2 minus 1 minus 5 0. Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. You delete that column and row. Remaining 0 minus 1 3 0. The same way, plus into minus minus 2. You hide that column and row. Remaining 0 2 3 minus 5. 3 into 0 cross multiplication minus 5. Minus 5 into minus 5 plus 5, already one minus is there, so 0 minus 5 plus 1 into 0 plus 3, 0 minus into minus plus 3, minus 2 into 0 minus 6, 0 minus 6. So it gives the number 3 into minus 5 plus 1 into 3 minus 2 into minus 6, minus 2 into minus 6. So minus 15 plus 3 plus 12, it gives minus 15 plus 15. The value is equal to, determinant of a value is equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, it is a singular matrix. It is singular matrix. It is singular matrix. So the given system is inconsistent. So the given system is inconsistent. The given system is inconsistent. It is a singular matrix, so the given system is inconsistent. See, this is exercise 4.6, 7th sum. Solve the linear equation using matrix method. Solve the linear equation using matrix method. The other name for matrix method is nothing but matrix inversion method. That they will ask for matrix method or matrix inversion method. Matrix inversion method, both are same. Matrix method or matrix inversion method, both are same. See, the given equation are 5x plus 2y equal to 4, 7x plus 3y equal to 5. First we should find out determinant of A inverse exists or not. See here, write it in a matrix form. The matrix form. The matrix form. See here, 5, 2, 7, 3 into x, y equal to 4, 5. So A x equal to B. Ax equal to B. What is the formula for that? X equal to A inverse of B. X equal to A inverse of B. First you should find out the value of A inverse. A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A into HA. A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A into HA. What is determinant of A? Determinant of A equal to 5, 2, 7, 3. Determinant of A equal to 5, 2, 7, 3. Do the cross multiplication. So 5 3s are 15 minus 7 2s are 14. So determinant of A value is equal to 1, not equal to 0. Determinant of A value is equal to 1, not equal to 0. Therefore A inverse exists because determinant of A is non-singular. Determinant of A is non-singular. Therefore A inverse exists. You should find out the value of HA. HA, it is a 2 by 2 matrix. You know very well, I already told the shortcut method to find the HA of 2 by 2 matrix. You can interchange the leading diagonal. Interchange the leading diagonal and you can change the sign for the subdiagonal. Interchange the leading diagonal. Interchange the value of leading diagonal. It is applicable for 2 by 2 matrix. See, you can interchange the leading diagonal 3, 5 and you can change the sign for the subdiagonal. See here, minus 2, minus 7. This is the value of HA of 2 by 2 matrix. So, A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A. What is the value of determinant of A? 1 into HA. HA value is 3 minus 2 minus 7, 5. You substitute all the values in x. See here, what is x? X equal to x comma y. X equal to A inverse B. X is xy equal to 1 by, you can multiply 1 to the matrix, you can get the same value only. So 3 minus 2 minus 7, 5. What is the value of B? See the value of B, 4, 5. Value of B is 4, 5. See here, x, y equal to, do the matrix multiplication, 3 4s are 12 minus 10, 2 5s are 10, 3 4s are 12 minus 10 minus 7 into 4 minus 28 plus 5 5s are 25. So x y equal to, what is the value? 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3. What is the solution set? The solution set is x equal to 2, y equal to minus 3. The solution set x equal to 2, y equal to minus 3. See here, 3 2s are 3 4s are 12, minus 5 2s are 10, minus 7 4s are minus 28, 5 5s are 25. So 12 minus 10 2, minus 28 plus 5 minus 3. So the solution set x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 3. If it is consistent only, we can get the value of x and y. Exercise 4.6, 8th sum. Solve the linear equation using matrix method or matrix inversion method. Okay, this is also 2 by 2 matrix. You write it in a matrix form. You write it in a matrix form. 2 minus 1 3 4 into x y equal to minus 2 3. Write it in a matrix form. So A x equal to b. What is the formula? X equal to A inverse of b. X equal to A inverse of b. First you should find out the value of A inverse. A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A into adj A. A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A into adj A. What is determinant of A? Determinant of A equal to determinant of 2 minus 1 3 4. So do the cross multiplication. 4 2s are 8 minus 8 3s are plus 3. 3 into minus become plus, 3 1s are 3. So 4 2s are 8 plus 3. The value is 11, not equal to 0. Determinant of A is non-singular. Determinant of A is non-singular. So therefore A inverse exists. Therefore A inverse exists. Then you should find out the value of adj A 2 by 2 matrix. You know very well how to find out the value of adj A for 2 by 2 matrix. Change the leading diagonal. Change the elements of the leading diagonal. See here 2 4. You can interchange the diagonal elements of the leading diagonal 4 2, and you can change the sign for the subdiagonal. Subdiagonal 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3. So this is the value of adj A. So A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A. What is the value of determinant of A? 11 into what is the value of adj A? 4 1 minus 3 2. 4 1 minus 3 2. So you can substitute everything in this equation. X equal to, in this formula, x equal to A inverse b. What is the value of x? X equal to xy. A inverse 1 by 11 into what is A inverse value ma? 1 by 11 into A inverse equal to 4 1 minus 3 2. What is the value of b? B value is minus 2 minus 3. B value is minus 2 3. B value is minus 2 3. A inverse value is 1 by 11 into 4 1 minus 3 2. So x y equal to 1 by 11. You can multiply this value first. See here 4 into minus 2 minus 8 plus 3 minus 2 minus 8. 4 into minus 2 minus 8 plus 3. Next 3 2s are 6. Minus into minus become plus. 2 3s are 5. 2 3s are 5. 3 2s are 6. See, 3 2s are 6. 2 3s are 6. See here 4 2s are 4 into minus 2 minus 8. 1 into 3 3. Minus 3 into minus 2 6. 3 2s are 6. So xy equal to 1 by 11 into minus 8 plus 3, 6 plus 6. 2 3s are 6. So xy equal to 1 by 11 into minus 5, 12. Minus 5, minus 8 plus 3 is minus 5 plus 12. See here, xy equal to minus 8 plus 3, 1 by 11 into 6 plus 6. So it gives 1 by 11 into minus 5, 12. Gives minus 5, 12. X, y. You can bring 1 by 11 inside. What is the value you are getting? Minus 5 by 11, 12 by 11. Minus 5 by 11, 12 by 11. X, y. So solution set is x equal to minus 5 by 11, y equal to 12 by 11. This is the value for x and y.